Parrots can fall in love, and some of them stay loyal for life. And when they lose their partner, their behavior can change forever. In the wild, many parrots choose one partner and stay together for years, sometimes a lifetime. They fly together, eat together, and even groom each other every day. Scientists have observed parrots calling only for their partner, sharing food as a sign of trust, and refusing to bond with another bird after losing the one they loved. So when a parrot screams or seems dramatic, it's not just noise or bad behavior. It may be loneliness. It may be grief. Parrots don't just feel instinct, they feel attachment.